In this chapter, what we'll discuss? Factors, multiple, okay, properties of factors and multiple, LCM, SCF. What is LCM?
Least common multiple.
What is SCF?
Highest common factor.
Yes. So least common multiple, highest common factor, and factors, multiple, all these things we will discuss in this chapter. So factor, what is factor? If a given number is divisible by another number, then number is a factor of the given number. Okay. Say for example, now say for example 14. Okay, so 14, how we can write this? 14, 2 into 7. So what we are learning out of this? What is the factor of this?
2 and 7.
2 and 7s are the factor of
14.
Okay, so if any number is divisible by other number, those numbers will be factor of that number. Okay, another example like 28, right? So 2 into 7 again into 2. So these all numbers are factor of 28. Okay. So in any number, say for example 13, right? So what are the factor of 13?
No factor.
No factor. So another way we can say 1 and the number itself, these are the factor of that number. Always.
Of
Okay.
a prime number.
Of a prime number. So
Or any number.
1
and a number itself will be the fixed factor of
yes, that 1 and 13 will always be the factor of that
1
number.
and 13. 1 and
1
number.
and that number itself. So in this case 1 and 13. Okay. So 1 and the number itself are the factor of a given number. Always. And if only these two factors, that means only 1 and that number itself, then what is called that number?
Prime number.
Prime number. Say for example 2, 3, 5, right? So in this 7. So in this what happened?
11.
7, say for example, what are the factor of 7? 1 and 7 only, no any other factor. That's why these all numbers are prime number. So example of 3 and 4 are factor of 12. 3 and 4 are the factor of 12. Is it so?
Yeah.
Yes, because
Now it has become
3
a
divides 12
composite number.
and 4 divides
12.
12. Okay. So 2, 6, 12, right? 2, 6 are also factor of 12. So in this manner, these are the factor. So what are the factor of 12? If we want to derive the prime factors, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
and 12.
and 6. And what are the prime factor in this 12?
1, 2 and 3.
1, 2 and 3. These are the prime factor of this. Okay.
Yeah.
Getting the point? Yeah. So find out the factor of 6. Can you find out? 3 and 2. 3 and 2 are the
And
factor.
1 and 6.
And 1 and 6. Okay. So these are the factor of that. Now 2 and 3 are the factor of 6. Multiples. What is multiple, beta?
Multiples
Say-
means if we multiply two factors, then the answer, the product is called a multiple.
Yes. Say for example, multiple of 2. 2, 6,
4,
4, 8,
12,
10,
14.
है ना, 15, 16. See, all are factor of 2 and factor of 3. That means table of 3. Simple. है ना? So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on and so forth. Will it end ever? Never. It will not end ever. So in case of multiples are infinite. Multiple are infinite.
We can't find the highest multiple.
Yes, we
of
cannot
any
find
number.
out the highest multiple of any number because
But
it
we
is
can
infinite.
find out the lowest. The number itself is the lowest multiple of the
Yes,
given number.
yes. So number itself, say for example 3. What is the lowest multiple
3
of this?
only.
3 only. 12. What is the lowest multiple of this?
12.
12
Because
only.
there's no multiple less than this.
Yes, less than that.
All
Get it?
the factors if they are less than
Yes.
12.
So multiple. Say for example, 24. 24 is the multiple of 12. That means 12 will always divide its multiple.
Yeah.
12, this 12 is always multiple of this, because this number itself divide that number. So the number, right, the all the number in which this number will divide, so these all number will be called
Factors of this number.
multiples. है ना? This
Okay, this
12 is
number
multi.
is-
Yes, this number. This 12 is the multiple. This 24. This 36 is multiple of this 12. है ना?
48.
48 is
60.
multiple. So whatever table we are calculating, these all are the multiple of this number. Getting the point? So it will be continue till infinite, right? Because this will never end. This will
Never
end. So all multiple, in case of multiple, and number of multiple, right? So highest multiple you cannot find out. In case of this HCF,
Highest.
now in case of factors, now we are learning factors. So in case of factors are definite.
Yeah.
Factors are
Definite.
definite, isn't it? Because suppose we are finding out factor of 6, then 2 multiply by 3. So these are the definite factor. It will not have more than that.
Yeah.
But in case of multiple, it is n number of multiple. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Now we will see this factor tree. Factor tree. In this manner, we find out what is the
Prime
factors, right? So say for example 24. Now we can write 6 multiply by 4. Okay. Further 6 we can write 2 into 3. 2 into
Right.
3. Now these are the prime factors, isn't it? 4, 2 into 2, again prime factor. So what are the prime factor of 24? 24, how we can write?
2 into 3
into 2
into
into 2.
2.
Right, so these
Or
we
we can write 2 into 2 into 3
Yes.
into 2.
Yes, so in this manner we
In
can.
whichever way we write like this also, the prime factors will also always be the same.
Yes, so like 2, 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so these all are the prime factors of 24. Getting the point? So prime factor of 24 are 2 and 3. Now 2 are repeated again. Huh? So
Yeah.
2 and 3 are the prime factors of 24. Now we will learn common factors and common multiple. Common means in two numbers, right? For finding
Which
out
is
the common.
present in both the numbers.
Yes. So common, if we are calculating, then it should be in both the number. Okay. So the factor or multiple that are common between two or more numbers are called the common factor. Right? Between two and more numbers are called the common factors or multiple of given number. Multiple of
Given number.
For example, this 5 is a factor of 35. Factor. That
Yeah.
means 5 will divide this 35. Factor means it will divide. Okay. So 5 is a factor of 35 as well as of 20.
Yeah.
Because 5 will divide this 20 also.
Yeah.
So 5 is a factor of 35 and 20. So 5 is a common factor of 35 and 20.
Yeah.
Can we say this?
Yeah.
5 is a common factor of 35 and 20.
20.
So clearly 1 is a common factor of every number.
Yeah.
Is it so?
Yeah.
Because 1 will divide each and every number.
Yeah.
1 will divide each and every number. Yes, so 1 is a common factor of all the number. Now what are the properties of factor? What are the properties of factors and multiple? So 1 is a factor of every number. This is correct. You must remember this. Okay, beta?
Yeah.
So what is 1 is a factor of every number.
Yeah.
Every number is a factor of itself.
Yeah.
Say for example 1 divides every number, that's why 1 is a factor.
Yeah.
And say for example this 3 will divide 3, 5 will divide 5.
Five.
Okay, so all number will divide that number itself. All number will divide
That number
that number.
itself.
So that's why every number is a factor of itself.
Yeah.
Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number.
Yeah.
If any number is a factor, say for example 2 is a factor of 8, yes or no?
Yeah.
This 2 will always divide this 8 100% with no remainder, right? With no
Remainder
remainder.
will be under.
Yes. So in this case, every factor of a number is exact divisor of that number. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Factor of a given number are finite. Finite means limited, fixed. Okay, so factor of a given numbers are finite.
Yeah.
Say for example, what are the factors of 8?
8.
2 into 2 into 2. Finite. Now it cannot be more than this.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Prime number have only two factor, 1 and the number itself.
Yeah.
Say for example 13. So what are the factor of 13? 1 into 13.
Yeah.
So one number itself and second 1.
1.
So prime number are those number which has only two factor,
The 1 and
1
the number.
and the number itself. So prime number have only two factor,
1
and the number itself. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Every number is a multiple of itself.
Yeah.
Every number is a multiple of itself. Multiple is what?
Multiple means the product which we get by multiplying two numbers.
Yes, product that we get multiplying. Say for example 12. What are the multiple of 12? 12,
12, 24,
24,
36,
36
48.
and so on and so forth, right? So every number, every multiple of a number, say for example this 12, this 12 is a multiple of this one,
Yeah.
same number.
Yeah.
So every number is a multiple, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to.
that number.
So all the multiple of 12 will be equal to 12 or more than 12. It will never be lesser than 12. Multiple will be never lesser than that number. Okay, so multiple will be equal to or more than that number. Getting the point? So say for example multiple of 4, 8, 12. So these all multiples will be equal to this 4 or greater than this 4.
Yeah.
See, equal to 4, greater than 4, all. Getting the point? So this the number of multiples of a given number is unlimited. Right? So see, this chain is continue. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on and so forth. It will continue at end. Getting the point?
And 0 is a multiple of every number.
0 is a
Multiple of every number.
0 is a multiple of any number. Now see, yes, you are correct. Now how we are getting this? Say for example 4, right? Multiple of 4. What are the multiple of 4?
4
Into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3. So these all are multiple of 4. Are you getting what I am saying?
Yeah.
So like this one is 4, this one is 8, this one is
12.
12. So these all are multiple and this will continue. So you are saying 0 is a
Multiple of every number.
multiple of every number. So now say for example 4 into 0 is equal to
0.
Here same number we are coming.
Yeah, so 0 is taking the place of a multiple.
Yes, so 0 is a multiple of
Every number.
12 into 0 is equal to 0. We are getting here 0. Getting the point?
Yeah.
So this 0 is a multiple of
Every number.
every number. Very good. Now prime number. Prime number we have discussed. What is prime number?
Which has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself is called
Yes,
prime number.
prime number. So 1 and the number itself, if they are having only two factors, 1 and the number itself, then it is called the prime number. Example 2. What are the factors of 2?
1 and 2.
What are the factor of 3?
1 and 3.
5.
1 and 5.
Okay, so these are the factors. I mean number and 1. So these are the prime numbers. Composite number. What is composite?
Composite means which have at least one factor other than 1 or number itself. Is
Yes,
called
very good, very good. Now 4. So what are the factors of 4? 1.
Into 4.
1 is the factor of this 4.
Yeah.
2 is the factor of this 4.
Yeah.
4 is the factor of this 4.
Yeah.
So other than these two, one more factor.
Yeah.
So that means it is having at least 3 factor. So it is a composite number, not a prime number.
Yeah.
Getting the point? Now 6. What are the factor? 1,
1,
2,
6, 1,
3,
2, 3, 6.
6. Okay. So these all are the factor of this 6. That means other than 1 and that number itself, we should have other factors also.
Yeah.
Getting the point? So these all are the composite number. So composite number, a number which have more than two factors, are called composite numbers. Composite number have at least one factor other than 1 and the number itself. Getting the point?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now co-prime number. What are the co-prime number?
Two different numbers which have no common factor except one.
Yes, no common factor except one. Two different number, right? So two different numbers, say for example 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. Now what are the common factor in this number?
One.
One only, right? So one will divide this number and this number.
Yeah.
Other than that,
No.
it doesn't have, these number don't have any other common factor. Getting the point? So that's the reason it is called co-prime number.
Yeah.
It is called co-prime number. For
But
example,
we can never write it co-prime number like a even number plus even number because there will be two also.
yes. So consecutive even number will never be co-prime number, right? Now, can you tell me 2 and 4?
Yeah.
Hmm?
1 and 2.
1 and
2.
2 are the factor of these. Getting the point?
Yeah.
So it is not a co-prime. It
Yeah.
is not a co-prime. For example, 12 and 25.
Only one.
Only one is a common factor. Only one common factor, that is 1. Okay?
Yeah.
So 12, 25 are the co-prime number. 12 and 25 are the co-prime number. Okay? Now highest common factor, HCF. HCF, highest common factor. What is highest common factor? What is highest common factor?
There will be many common factors. Out of them, whichever is the highest
Yes.
is called that.
Yes, very good. So say for example these two numbers they have taken 99 and 30, right? So how to find out, we will see that one. Okay, how to find out, say for example 99 and 30, right? We will start with the smallest number. So we will divide this, both the number, that number should divide both the numbers.
3.
3. Okay, so 3 will divide 99 and 3 will also divide this 30. 3 will divide 99 and 3 will divide 30 also. Getting the point? So 3, when we divide 99 by 3,
66.
then 3 3 ja 9 and 3 3 ja 9, 33. And 3 will divide this 30 also. 3 1 ja 3
15.
and 0.
15.
3 से बेटा 3 से डिवाइड करना है ना.
हाँ.
Okay, further will it divide?
No.
Huh?
No.
So what is the common factor?
3.
3
And the
only.
highest is
Highest
also
also 3, because no any other factors in this. Getting the point?
1.
1 is there. 1 will not be considered in that. Prime numbers, prime factor. Okay.
And by prime factorization method also we can find out.
Yes. So in this manner, now say for example 1, 3, 9, 11, 33 and 99 are the factor of 99, right? 99, these are the factors.
of
And what are the factor of 30? These are the factor of 30. Now what are the common in this? Now see, 1 is common, 2 is common.
Yeah.
Where? No. 3 is common.
Yeah.
Any other number is common? No any other number. Getting the point? So 1 is always common. We will not consider. So highest, which one is the highest?
3.
3 is the highest factor, highest common factor out of these. See here 3 and here also 3. So 3 is the highest common factor, SCF. Okay, out in these two numbers. Getting the point? 3 is the only common factor of 99 and 30. Thus SCF of 99 and 30 is 3. So in case of HCF, highest number we take, highest common. In case of LCM,
Lowest factor.
least common multiple. Why we take least?
Because multiples, the highest multiple we can never find.
We can never find. There may be lot of multiples. Okay,
Yeah.
but we are interested to find out in finding out least common multiple. Least common multiple. Getting the point?
Yeah.
And factors, highest common factor. Factors also, factors are definite, but multiple factors may be there. एक से ज़्यादा factors हो सकते हैं ना, लेकिन हम लोग क्या निकालेंगे?
The least. सबसे कम.
Factors highest बेटा. Factor highest, multiple least. Okay.
Yeah.
So now LCM least common
multiple.
Here it is written factor. Okay, least common multiple. Getting the point? LCM of two or more number is the smallest common multiple. LCM of two or more number is called the smallest common multiple of a given number. Say for example, LCM of 16 and 18. We will take the same example.
8
है ना, वो जो फैक्टराइजेशन हमने किया था, कौन से नंबर का ले रहे हैं हम? 18, 6, 16 and 16.
No, we
and
took that 30 and 99.
yeah, so here we are taking same method we are using.
2.
So 2 will divide by 2.
But 2 is the least.
Okay, again it will go by 2.
Yeah.
2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Again 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, until we get 1. Again 2 1 1. Here we are getting 1. Now we will stop. So these are the what? LCM.
So 2.
2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So what is the answer? 16. 16 is the LCM. So LCM 8 and 16. 8 and 16. Now we find out, say for example 20 and 24. Can you find out what is the LCM of these number? So we will start doing this method. What is this method is called?
Common division method.
Common division method. Okay, common division method. So 2 is smallest to common. So 10 and here 12. Okay, again 2 5 ja
5 and 6.
10 and 2 6 ja 12. Again now 5. Okay, because we need to have 1 1. In this case LCM
We have to get.
we need to get remainder 1 1.
But HCF.
Common until we are getting common. So until that time we need to divide.
But in HCF, until both the numbers are divisible
Yes,
by 1.
yes,
After
very good.
that, no.
No, yes, good. Right. So 5, 1 and 6. Now 6, 1 and 1. Okay. So these
Is
all
this
are.
also possible that in place of 6 here we can write 2 and continue?
Yeah, that can, but it will give the same answer.
Yeah.
It will give same number. So now what is the LCM? LCM 2 into 2 into 5 into 6. Okay, for these two number. Getting the point?
Yeah.
So what will be the answer?
5 into 6, 30 into 2, 60. Yeah.
Yes or no? How we have done this? 5 2 ja
10,
10. We can take 10 and 6 2 ja
12.
12. 12 and 10 0. Okay, so in this manner we need to do the calculation. Calculation also we'll learn how to do fast.